gifts on Instagram, how it works. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how Instagram gifts actually works, so make sure to stick with me till the end. So basically, if you go ahead and then make sure to launch Instagram application, here I'll show you a particular reel. So I've just saved this reel in this case, so I'll just go ahead and show it to you. As you'll be able to find it on this particular reel, if I select it, here you'll find the option called send gift, which means that I can send gift to this creator by simply selecting a gift, selecting add to balance, selecting a payment method, and now just buying a certain amount of gift and then just paying them. But this option is not going to be available on all the reels, because if I show you some other reels over here, you can see this reel might not have the option. Similarly, if I keep showing you more and more reels over here, you'll not be able to basically go ahead and find them, as you can see. So how come that this reel has this? Well, it just means that this account is actually eligible. So if you go to the profile, you'll be able to see many more engaging activities. Once Instagram notices that you're eligible for a certain amount of followers and so on, then after that only they'll go ahead and then enable the gift option to you guys. Other than that, I see no way out, so you just have to apply for it and let Instagram know about it. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.